dugsiga boardingka iyo maalinlaha ah ee Amano Boarding and Day School.
Form 2s, welcome back to Amano online classes. Today I'm not going to do a lesson as we usually do, but rather I'm going to give you some information in regards to the upcoming end year examination. You all know that we did the first psycho examination, and before we wind up the academic year, we have to do the final Psycho 2 that wraps this academic year. The examination, as communicated, will begin on the 6th. It will run through to the 15th. So these are the guidelines on the content that you're supposed to focus on as you do your revision. So I've prepared your examination to involve 3 basic areas. There will be reading as well as grammar, then the vocabulary part, which will be given, much of that information will be given by the grammar teacher. But let's look at the first section, which is reading. So reading will mainly focus on these 2 skill areas, that is skimming as well as scanning. Then the thematic areas, the topics that the reading passage will try to capture, include the following areas: work and jobs, mind and body, science, and the environment. Okay, now you're asking yourself that with these, what are the types of questions that you're likely to find? Because we're doing an online examination, as you all aware of, so the type of question will include multiple choice, true and false questions, as well as short answer questions. That all this will capture the reading skill. Let's go to the next. In writing, I'll focus on the correspondences. This one, you know, letters as well as email. So unlike the previous examinations where you were doing reading or writing the whole correspondence, I'll basically focus or write an email or a letter, then I will make it sort of a broken passage whereby you'll have to fill the gaps appropriately. So you're asking how are the questions going to be. So when you look at the email or letter that you'll be completing, the type of questions will be multiple choice. So for example, if there's a blank space 1, I'll give 2 or 3 multiple answers that you can select to fill in the gaps, as well as there will be some cases short answers whereby the answers you'll have to generate by yourself. Okay, so that is all we have. So we're going to focus on majorly those 2 areas. Then grammar and vocabulary, Mr. Moses will give you detailed explanation on what specific areas to work on. Otherwise, thank you and stay safe.